Hello dear, so we got another line practice session. This through this session actually we are focusing only on the spirals, and you have to find more ways like this to practice more lines in a creative way as well. Okay, so let's start. So first I'm making a U shape or a curvy line, a deep curvy line, and after that two tiny curvy lines, a circle or an oval shape for the eye, and that's it. Maybe two dots for the eye. That's it, our base shape is done. Now I'm just filling all this with black color, just to make it an art piece as well through the practice session. Okay, so here I'm filling completely, and after that you can take your sketch pens or color markers to make it colorful. So this was the only thing we are doing. Now we are start practicing the spirals. So here I am adding many little tiny spirals on the head of this sheep with some green color. Then we'll switch to some blue color. You can choose any color for this. Okay. So just make it colorful. No rules. Or if you want it to be a proper sheep only, you can just use a gray shade. Will be fine. Okay. So that's it. Let's continue. So done with the body. So I have added a lot of spirals. Now let's add some slanting lines for the leg also. Four set of slanting lines we will add, for two in the front and two for the back. Added a tiny tail and tiny stalks to make it look like grasses. So you can add anything to the background, and also just like this find more funny ways to practice your lines. Rather than just practicing it on straight paper, you can be more creative as well. Okay, and if you have got any doubt, do send me always. That's it, dears.